the conqueror of mountains. Okay guys, so Youtheory Men's Shilajit. This is labeled for men simply because the three main clinical studies that are out there suggest it supports men in testosterone and hormone production, etc. But it can help and benefit anybody who's looking for youth, as the name would suggest, Youtheory, longevity, purification, detox. I originally brought this up when I was talking about fulvic acid in my detox from GMOs video. But this is really interesting. I've done more research and been taking this one for a little while now. This is, I think it's the blood of trees, which we now call mountains. If you look more into that, maybe you'll learn about it. There was originally a video put out a couple of years ago called There Are No Forests on Earth, which is a fascinating theory and I think is way cooler than plate tectonics. So I'm opting for that one. Anyways, you could look into that more. But this stuff basically is found and gathered at over 16,000 feet. If it was only due to plate tectonics, why would it only appear at 16,000 feet? Don't really have answers for that, which is far above the grow line, if you know anything about mountains, etc. But I could be wrong, whatever. And anyway, Shilajit, awesome stuff. It does help with testosterone. It can help with overall health. So I actually ordered some of this stuff on eBay, and I'm looking forward to doing a comparison between this, which is a powdered capsule, and the stuff that I ordered, which is a resin. I've done more research, and the resin is most likely going to be the most powerful, most effective, the best stuff that you're going to want to use. But I've still enjoyed this. This is actually a pretty good supplement. So check it out, guys. Stay healthy.